Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. So I have done a recipe for chocolate chip cookies before on the channel. It was a very long time ago and I have improved the recipe since then. I will link the old recipe below if you want to kind of go and compare notes. But yes, we will do it again. You will need 300 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of butter cube, 150 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of chocolate chips, 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So in a bowl, to your flour add your baking powder, your caster sugar, and your chocolate chips, and mix until well combined. Then add your butter, and then you want to start mixing in the butter into your dry ingredients as much as you can do. And then add your egg and give it a mix, and then using your hands you want to bring it all together until it is a nice dough. Then to a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper. You want to take about a tablespoon of cookie dough, roll it into a ball and pop it on the baking tray, leaving space in between each cookie because they will expand as they bake. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 12 to 15 minutes until the sides start to golden. And there you have it. That's how you make chocolate chip cookies.